Alright, Poops is in his room. Let's see what he's doing. Yo, Poops! Poops!
Oh, what? What's up? Oh, I was playing with my plane. I got my speedos on. We're on. Come subscribe, join the tribe, cause you know, yeah, we're alive. It's the Poopies channel. So, you know, I'm back in Hawaii and my scooter broke down. So we're at Skywalker's house. He has an Audi for me so I can get around, be mobile, so I can do my thing and send it for you guys. Oh, he's in his little man cave, ding repair cave. Music's going. Lucas is the most psych grom I've ever met. What's up? Lucas, his dog. He is a wolf slayer. There he goes. What up, Big D? What's up, Matt, brother? Good to see you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. The car needs a little work, huh?
Yeah, we got the car going.
Okay, cool. Perfect. The mechanic. Big D, legend.
What's up, everybody?
Where's Lucas?
We're just upstairs making some guacamole.
Oh, no way.
Come grind.
Yeah.
Cruise them a little bit.
Yeah.
Listen to the new Team Blowtail song.
Let's do it. Let's cruise up.
Do it.
Wake up. Dude, this is the roof right here. Team Blowtail roof. That's where it goes down. Wow. Go all the way up. How's this view?
Live in the hills.
Yeah.
Hill lifestyle.
Woo. Where's that? Alligators? Or no.
Haleiwa.
Oliva, yeah.
Yep. Almost fly down there. Parachute.
Sure, dude. You seen that Area 51? How they go like this and they just like run and they're like, that's so funny.
Yeah, I seen that.
You seen that, yeah?
Bro, they're all dressed up in like action figures.
Yeah.
Here comes Poopies.
Yeah.
Making it happen.
We'll have to get me some health insurance
Trampoline.
first.
Big Deal's got soundtrack.
Oh, I can't use this clip now because it's not copyrighted.
No, it's copyrighted.
Is it?
Team Blowtail.
Yeah. Oh, it is the Team Blowtail song. Oh,
It's
sick.
our copyright.
Yeah.
No way.
Big Deal's gonna sue you.
What, dude? I'm gonna use this song for my next session for sure.
Yeah, we'll use it. You guys will see it soon. Get psyched.
Yeah, let me know when it drops and we'll use it.
It's dropped.
Sick. Oh, perfect.
We got it.
This is
Bruh.
it dropped today.
Yep. Hey guys, I'd like to welcome to Pimp My Ride Poopies edition. Poopies channel. Team Blowtail. We're getting Poopies wheels today because we got to get to Honolulu to hit those mega slabs and drainage ditches. We're making it happen. This is on. This
Yeah,
winter.
dude, thanks so much.
Whoa.
Dream come true. An Audi, dude. I'm psyched.
Wait till you see this ride, dude. We're gonna spray paint it. Stickers, butt snorkeler, pit viper. Shout out.
No. We're keeping it clean.
Rowdy Audi.
We're keeping it clean. I gotta roll up in style for the ladies, dude. Poopies Pimp My Ride edition. Look at the star fruit tree. So epic. Menthol. Look at that. Fresh fruit from the tree. Wow, so bomb. It's like sweet but sour. Mmm.
There you go, Poops.
Got it. I just had one.
You just had one?
Yeah.
All right,
that's
man.
yours.
Mmm.
Bomb. That's a sweet one. Oh, a juicy one.
Mmm. So good. I've just been living off this.
Huh.
I got here and I just like had more stuff in my head.
She's a little dirty, but we get her all cleaned up and get her out of here today.
The battery is super dead. The battery is always a problem.
Up.
Whoa, don't scratch my car.
Yeah.
Come up.
Here we go. Yeah! She's on!
Yes, sir, bless her.
She's on.
Big
Guys,
hug.
I got
can
it
get home,
right.
man.
Yeah, I can get home now.
Unstoppable.
It starts, she's alive. Poopies is mobile. All sides of the island, nobody's safe. We're coming.
Yes, they need some work, but hey, it runs. I'm very blessed. Thank you, Skywalker.
Yeah.
Legend. Get it down, Bill! Welcome.
Welcome, dude. Is this your new automobile?
Ah, check it out.
How's it jump?
We're not jumping it.
Oh, come on.
I gotta like get around with this thing. I can't mess it up.
Laying eggs already in your rim. It suits you. Yeah, I try to eat it. Here, I'll hook you up, Poops.
Eat it. Did you eat it?
Half.
Shut up. Oh my, let me see. Let me see. Oh my god.
I'm not eating that one this time.
What a rat, dude. How'd it taste? Someone took the gas cap, dude. Yeah. Need a jump. Damn. $200 Audi. I'll see you guys later. Cops are on it already. I need to go grab the title and show him my license, and then yeah, he's gonna let me go. But no cameras, no cameras. We're good to go. I gotta move the car though. Cannot be parking it on the street. It's not registered. So yeah, we're gonna move it and hopefully that doesn't happen again. Let's go. All right, you guys, we finally made it to the secret skate park. Check this thing out. Lucas Skywalker with us. Our friend Josh. Thanks for having us, dude. Yeah. So, and Morgan's here. She came along. Good to see you. But yeah, it's the best time to skate at night. It's really cool out, and we got the lights. So yeah, let's do this. So fun, dude. Empty skate park with the boys. And the best part is it's night out and there's lights. Good session, good vibes, good time. Woo. Yeah, Bill. Let's talk safety first. Hang on.
What's that thing, love?
Okay, Morgan May.
Click at her ticket. Click at her ticket.
I'm so scared.
Morgan May. First time dropping it.
It was pretty fun.
That was good.
I didn't hurt myself.
Good job. You gotta lean forward more. She's under pressure, you guys. We got an audience now. She's under pressure. Go, Morgan, go. Good job. Killing it. Round of applause, Morgan.
Very nice.
High five, high five. So we're gonna end this vlog right now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned next week. There's swell coming, and you'll be seeing my new car.
Drop a comment to see what you want Poops to do. Give him
And
some
I'll do
ideas.
it. Okay, you guys come up with the ideas, and I'll do them. The best idea will win. So thank you guys for the support. Remember, subscribe up here, click up here to watch more videos, and click the description below to get all your swag from all my sponsors. Thank you guys, and have a great night.